Welcome to DB Sales Company, where we not only offer diesel engines, parts, and customized generator sets, we also provide information on these products to make your experience of finding and acquiring the exact right ones for you as easy as possible. With our diesel and generator sales branch, you can customize the generator set that is perfectly fit to your power needs. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can customize your very own diesel generator set. First, we'll need to know how your power is going to be applied. Is it standby stationary or prime power? Prime power also includes mobile applications that will be using it as a prime source of power. Next, we'll need to know how much power in kilowattage you'll need. For some examples, solar installations need about 15 kilowatts, ice cream trucks need about 20 kilowatts, and a spray foam rig needs about 30 kilowatts. It also helps us to know what phase is needed, either single or three-phase. Single phase is for easier, more constant usage, jobs that run constantly on lower power. Three-phase is for harder jobs done by machines with motors. Based on the power and phase required, we then help you pick out either a Perkins or Yanmar diesel engine fit for what you need. Then you choose from a selection of either Marelli or McAulty generator ends to best fit the power needs for your given application. Then we help you choose the best suited and most efficient generator controller to help you modulate the power output. We'll also give you options for fuel tanks and enclosures to finalize customization. Here is an example of what a complete open frame diesel generator set looks like. And here is an example of a complete diesel generator set with an enclosure. And it usually ends up being about a 20 to 30 day lead time for us to customize, build, and ship your generator. We hope this helped you understand more clearly exactly the diesel product or products that you've been looking for. Also, look in the description for links to all of our websites. Check out and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on diesel products from DB Sales Company. And be sure to comment below anything else you'd like to know. You can also find us on Facebook under DB Sales Company, or Twitter under Find Diesels, where you can see various products we offer and tips on those products. We'd also like for you to engage with us about your experiences in the diesel industry and how we can help you better reach the diesel products that you're looking for. We hope to hear from you soon.